Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you of the small LED grow light for indoor plants. I do a lot of indoor gardening, and I've been buying a bunch of different types of lights so I can try them out around my house. So I want to just crack this one open for you so we can take a look at it and you can see what it comes with. So here's the actual light setup itself. Then of course it comes with your little spectrum booklet and the light itself. So this one here is designed for like desk lamps, obviously. So you have your clamp here, which is a really nice tight clamp. So this is really good for, you know, if you have a lot of people like to grow plants, flowers, or whatever, like on their work desks. Say a lot of times it's good for helping out moods or things like that, or maybe just like it, but it's good for doing that. So this lamp here, let me show you. So see how wide it is, if it will clip on my table. So yeah, it's plenty wide enough to clip onto my dining room table. It feels really strong. You can see I'm able to easily adjust and swivel, pivot, rotate. I mean, whatever you need to do. So wherever you have your plants at on your desk, this can easily accommodate, which it's super versatile. That's actually really cool. It's a lot more flexible than I expected it to be. So, and then you can see if I move it up close to you a little bit, hopefully you can see, you have your power button at the bottom. Then you have a timer on there for 4, 8, 12, and 18 hours to set your plant life cycle. And then your plus and minus for, I'm gonna say for your light strength. So you can, you know, I guess really that's your dimming option. So, and then you'll see that it has attached to a USB cord which comes with your cube to power it. So again, just wanted to give you a quick look at what you get in the box so you know what to expect. I'll do some more videos or reviews pretty soon after I get everything set up and have it attached to my desk and some plants under it. So hopefully that helps you out while you're shopping around. Thanks.